KOBELCO is a leading company of large LNG vaporizers and high-performance heat exchangers and has played an important role in the LNG supply chain since the 1970s. KOBELCO proposes optimal solutions with advanced welding and thermal analysis technology. In the field of vaporizers, we have a lineup of ORVs and IFVs. KOBELCO started the supply of ORV in 1977. By using seawater directly, there is no CO2 emissions due to combustion, making it possible to vaporize in an environmentally friendly manner. KOBELCO has improved ORV technology for more than 40 years. KOBELCO's ORV is the highly reliable vaporizer and contributes to the stable energy supply. KOBELCO started the supply of IFV in 1980. By using titanium tubes, low-quality seawater is applicable. By using intermediate fluid, ice formation is avoided. In addition, KOBELCO's IFV is used in various cold energy utilizations, making it possible to contribute to energy saving and CO2 reduction. In the field of heat exchangers, we have ALEX and DCHEs. KOBELCO's brazed aluminum heat exchanger ALEX has been supplied since 1965. ALEX has remarkable advantages: top-class heat transfer performance and multi-stream structures. Small temperature difference between fluids can be realized. This can minimize the power consumption and maximize the energy efficiency of low-temperature process plants. Diffusion Bonded Compact Heat Exchanger, DCHE, is a KOBELCO brand of PCHE. Supply of DCHE began in 2012 for hydrogen stations. DCHE is a robust heat exchanger having a wide range of applications, from very low temperatures to very high pressures. Compared to shell and tube type, DCHE is significantly compact. This allows a shop module and minimizes on-site construction costs. KOBELCO's heat exchangers and vaporizers are expected to be actively deployed in carbon-neutral applications, such as hydrogen, ammonia, and CCS. Our mission is to provide the optimal heat exchangers and to contribute to the realization of a carbon-neutral society.